Okay, so what we have here is now we're going off the same idea that we have a sequence, or maybe we don't. I just want to use this as an example of we have 2 points. We have one at 1, -2, one at 5, 6, but we don't know the information in between here. Okay, so I can chart those 2 points, but without this information in here, if I wanted to create an equation for this, I would not be able to just use the common difference. If I had these other numbers, sure, I could use the common difference to create the equation, but I'm missing those things. So we have to think of another equation. Okay, what that is the slope. Okay, this is something you should have heard of before, but we're going to talk about slope and how we have 2 points. We're going to call this point 1 and this is point 2. Okay, so we're going to take point 2's x and y because we have x over x2 minus x1 and then y2 minus y1. Okay, so we're going to take those points. Okay, so I'm going to look at this one and it's -2 minus 6. And now I'm going to use the x's. This x is 1 minus 5. Okay, so -2 minus 6 is -8. 1 minus 5 is -4. Now we have a negative on top and bottom, so those cancel, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to move this down here. I'm going to reduce it to 2 because the negatives cancel, and then I'm basically dividing top and bottom by 4, and I get 2. Okay, so I know that I have a slope of 2. So given, if I wanted to find what this information was, I now know that I have a slope of 2. That means my common difference is also 2, relating the both 2 back. So I could go 0, 2, and 4, and I have that. So I have a slope of 2 for this one. And I used this. All I need is 2 points. I don't need anything else to find my slope. Okay? Once again, this goes straight through here. If I did a straight line, that is. And I could look at this. I could go, so 1 over and down, and then 2 over. I'm right there. 3 over, I'm up 2. 4 over, I'm up at 4. Okay, so you can see everything's right on that line, as long as I draw my line straight. Okay, so once again, if I'm missing stuff, I can't do the common difference, but I can do the slope formula. And in fact, you're going to want to use the slope formula more and more.